Hello guys, how to be here? Welcome back to another video. And if you don't know that YouTube Shorts will earn revenue, and yeah, that's the new update. As YouTube, I mean Google actually changed a huge, brought a huge change in YouTube. Like YouTube Shorts actually got the fund. I mean previously YouTube Shorts are getting the funds, and that's not for all, but YouTube revenue will be everyone, those who are monetized. And in the Shorts channel, there are some criteria how you will have to complete the monetization, and the actual process is like you need to upload regular shorts and make it viral. Like if your shorts are viral, like more than 90 million views in last 90 days, and then approximately 500 subscribers. So if you complete this threshold, you can be able to join in the YouTube partner program, I mean by the shorts. So this is very much interesting. Like they are giving the shorts channel a income source by real YouTube. So basically this will be very much helpful for all those who are new to YouTube, or they are just aiming to join in YouTube. And yeah, that's all for today guys. Hope this will be very much helpful for all, and see you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck.